China has unveiled a new military kamikaze drone resembling a bird, shocking the US with this innovative technology. We'll also showcase other Chinese combat drones, including the CH-7, Wing Loong 2, and WZ-7. Additionally, we'll take a deep dive into an ultra-fast Chinese-made hypersonic missile. The Chinese Sea Dragon Commandos demonstrated their innovative bird-like drones designed for covert military operations. These drones mimic the appearance and behavior of real birds, making them almost indistinguishable from the natural environment. Their design incorporates biomimetic technology, which allows them to replicate natural bird flight patterns, giving them a unique advantage in stealth and camouflage. This ability to blend seamlessly into the environment makes the drones ideal for surveillance and reconnaissance missions, as they can go undetected by both human observers and traditional radar systems. They could be used to gather intelligence, perform reconnaissance missions, and potentially execute targeted operations without alerting the enemy. This development showcases China's focus on enhancing its military capabilities through innovation, particularly in UAVs. The ability to carry out surveillance with such a high degree of stealth could lead to increased tensions and suspicions between nations. The drone's potential for espionage and their role in psychological warfare are noteworthy. Their capacity to gather intelligence without detection could be leveraged for a wide range of covert activities, from monitoring military installations to tracking key individuals. The CH-7, also known as the Rainbow 7, is a stealth combat drone developed by China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation. The CH-7 is designed for high-altitude operations, with an original service ceiling between 10,000 to 13,000 meters, which was later enhanced to 15 kilometers. Its development has been aimed at enhancing capabilities for information-based combat, emphasizing stealth, range, and payload capacity. Recent updates indicate that the CH-7's development is nearing completion by the end of 2024, following successful tests of new designs. These include an increased wingspan to 26 meters, enhancing its aerodynamic efficiency and payload capacity. The drone can carry large missiles and has a maximum takeoff weight of 10 tons, showcasing its capability to engage in significant combat roles. The CH-7's stealth features are intended to reduce detection by enemy radar, enhancing its survivability and effectiveness in modern warfare scenarios. Its design and capabilities suggest it's tailored for roles in asymmetric warfare, potentially serving as a platform for electronic warfare, reconnaissance, and precision strikes against high-value targets. The YJ-21 is a Chinese hypersonic anti-ship missile designed to target naval vessels and enhance China's long-range strike capabilities. It is known for its speed and maneuverability, making it difficult to detect and intercept. The YJ-21 is believed to have a speed exceeding Mach 5, categorizing it as a hypersonic missile. It features advanced guidance systems, including radar and infrared seekers, allowing it to strike moving targets with high accuracy. The YJ-21's design allows it to perform evasive maneuvers during its terminal phase, significantly increasing its chances of penetrating advanced missile defense systems. The missile is launched from both land-based and naval platforms, including destroyers and submarines, providing flexibility in deployment. Its hypersonic speed, coupled with its ability to carry a variety of warheads, including conventional and possibly nuclear, enhances China's deterrence capabilities. It represents a significant advancement in China's missile technology and reflects the country's focus on developing sophisticated weapon systems to counterbalance the military capabilities of the United States and its allies. The Wing Loong 2 is a Chinese-made UAV developed by the Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group. Designed for both reconnaissance and combat missions, the Wing Loong 2 represents a significant advancement over its predecessor, the Wing Loong 1, with improvements in payload, range, endurance, and overall performance. The Wing Loong 2 features a sleek, aerodynamic design and is powered by a single turboprop engine, which allows it to reach a maximum speed of approximately 230 miles per hour. The UAV is capable of carrying a payload of up to 480 kilograms, which includes an array of sensors, cameras, and weapons such as laser-guided bombs and air-to-surface missiles. One of the standout features of the Loong 2 is its long endurance and range. It can stay airborne for up to 32 hours without refueling, making it highly suitable for prolonged missions over large distances. The UAV has a range of approximately 4,000 kilometers, enabling it to cover vast areas and operate in diverse environments. The Loong 2 is used by several countries, including China, the United Arab Emirates, and Egypt, among others. It has been deployed in various conflict zones for surveillance and combat operations. The WZ-7 Soaring Dragon is a Chinese high-altitude, long-endurance UAV developed by the Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group for surveillance and reconnaissance purposes. It is characterized by its unique joined-wing design, which improves aerodynamic efficiency and stability, allowing it to operate at high altitudes for extended periods. The WZ-7 is equipped with advanced sensors and radar systems for real-time ISR operations over vast areas, including airspace and maritime regions. With a wingspan of 24 meters, the drone's long endurance and capability to carry sophisticated payloads make it a critical asset for China's People's Liberation Army. It is capable of providing detailed targeting information, enhancing situational awareness, and supporting other military operations. The WZ-7 has been compared to the U.S. Global Hawk drone, given its similar mission profile and capabilities, but it is distinguished by its specific design features and the strategic focus of its missions. This UAV enhances China's ability to monitor contested regions such as the South China Sea and the Taiwan Strait, providing valuable data that can be used for decision-making in both peacetime and potential conflict scenarios. The CH-5 is a state-of-the-art combat drone developed by the China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation. It is one of China's most advanced and capable unmanned aerial vehicles, designed for medium-altitude, long-endurance missions. The CH-5 has a wingspan of 21 meters and can carry a maximum payload of around 1,000 kilograms. It has an endurance of up to 60 hours and a range of over 10,000 kilometers, making it suitable for long-duration missions. The drone is equipped with advanced avionics, sensors, and satellite communication systems, allowing it to perform various roles, including ISR and precision strikes. The CH-5 can be armed with a variety of weapons, including guided missiles, bombs, and air-to-surface missiles. This versatility allows it to engage a wide range of targets, from ground vehicles to fortifications, making it highly effective in combat situations. The CH-5 is designed for both military and potential civilian applications, such as border patrol, anti-terrorism, and disaster relief. Its ability to carry out strike missions, along with its long endurance and extensive operational range, makes it a valuable asset for any military force. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI and robotics.